to a change in personal circumstances, the only reviews I can really do, the only videos I can really do at the moment are pen reviews and different bits through, working through my personal collection. I'm not really in a place to manufacture at the moment. We're just selling the inks that we've got on order from Diamine, and any stock we've got until new premises are acquired. We've left Staffordshire now, and we're currently living in Northern Ireland, up on the Causeway coast. It's spectacularly beautiful. I may put in the old picture now and again, just to show the sort of place we're in. But yeah, that's why there haven't been any videos for a while. We've been all sort of up in the air, but we're starting to get a bit settled now. So on with the first of what hopefully should be quite a few, and it is the Waterman Karen made in Paris. As you can see, it comes in a lovely white box with the gold embossing there, plain all round. But inside the white box is a thing of genuine beauty. I just love the swirls and everything they've really put some thought into making this. Again, with a beautiful embossing there. On the front you get the Waterman W. Again, the rest of it's relatively plain, but that's just lovely. And as we open, I've got the blue. I think it's the Serenity blue. Happily corrected on that one. The Waterman Paris there. Just a little bit of a close-up. Nice firm holding, some beautiful, there is extra loops inside to hold it a bit tighter, as you can just see there. And then we have this beautifully shaped pen. Apparently the Karen is, I'm reliably informed, sorry, getting used to new camera setup, I'm reliably informed is meant to be the part of a boat, the hull that's under the water, and that's what this is designed to look like. And of course there's the famous inlaid nib, common lens. 18 karat gold. This one's in the white plated gold. When you put the cap on the other end, sorry, I know I need a new lens for this. There you go, it just looks absolutely spectacular. It's a real classic lines. This sweep up here, coming down to the nice point at the back end. And it is just a thing of beauty. The question is, how does it write? Because it's all very well to look at it. What does it feel like? Writing like that with the unposted does relieve a significant amount of weight, because this is a solid brass pen. Don't know if you're going to be able to see it there, but there's in there is a brass barrel. If we undo that, then there's a brass barrel in there as well, which you can just about see on the edge. And then Waterman being true kings of lacquer ink, it's lacquered in this gorgeous blue. I've got the converter in, and I'm currently using Diamine's 1864, is it? They're blue-black from their 150th anniversary edition. And the whole thing works just seamlessly together. I've got the fine nib. Yeah, that's not going to show up there, but there is a little F underneath. And the filling hole, strangely enough, is just about here. Go on. Thank you. The filling hole is just here. So you've got to dip it in up to about there in the ink to fill it up. As you can see, it writes. Zoom in a bit. It writes really nicely. Now, just because I love fountain pens doesn't mean I'm going to have gorgeous handwriting. I'm still working on that. As you can see, being left-handed, it's just an extra thing to overcome. Yeah. Sorry if you can hear that, that's my dog snoring. Yeah, the nib's equal width either way. And there's absolutely no flex in it, it's really quite rigid. For a dryness test, it's reasonably dry. And being a fine nib, you'd obviously expect that. But to be honest, that sums it up, to be honest. I've been living with this pen for a little over a year now. My wife got it me as an anniversary present. And to be honest, I genuinely love it. It is my favourite pen. I use it pretty much every day for anything, from writing shopping lists to filling out important letters and anything else that might go on. The lacquer does sort of gently mark over time, but not in an obscene way or anything. It just looks a bit more lived with. There you go, just about make out the Waterman logo there. And then it's made in France. Yeah. Yeah, so that's, I can't fault this. It's beautiful in every possible way, in feature, form, use. Yeah. So there you go. If you don't mind a slightly heavier pen that's just going to last forever and ever, go for a Waterman Karen. Really lovely. Right, thanks for your time. Hope you understand why we're a bit light on the ground with videos at the moment, and hopefully we'll be seeing you soon. Thanks very much then. Bye bye.